$45,000, stated income, no documents, funded in your checking account within the hour. That's what Navy Federal just did for one of our clients. And I'm going to tell you exactly how, including the one mistake on the phone call that gets most people denied before they even finish the application. And before you ask, no, he didn't have an 800 credit score. No, he wasn't some multimillionaire, high income earner, VIP client. And no, you don't have to be active duty military to qualify. I'm going to address every one of these assumptions in this video because I see them in every comment section on every video about Navy Federal, and most of them are just flat out wrong. Welcome back to the Credit with Colin channel, where we talk about how to leverage your credits for maximum business funding. I'm an 8-year United States Marine Corps veteran who runs a 20+ person funding company. We process over $5 million a month in client approvals, and Navy Fed just so happens to be one of our personal loan go-to products. Therefore, our clients who need fast capital with no to minimal documentation. And today, I'm giving you every data point, every qualifying factor, and the exact strategy we use so our clients don't blow their one shot at this. Links to work with my team to fix your credit or get $100K plus in funding deployed into cash flowing real estate is in the pinned comment and description below. Let's get into it. So let me lay out the product so there's zero confusion. Navy Fed offers a personal loan from $250 all the way to $50K. Terms range from 6 months to 60 months, and that's 5 years if you don't know math, Cletus. And here's what makes this different from almost every other personal loan on the market. Stated income, no doc verification. You tell Navy Federal what you make and what your housing payment is, and they make a decision on the spot. No pay stubs, tax returns, no employer verification calls. You sign a promissory note, and the money hits your checking account. Same day, not next day. Not 3 to 5 business days. Same day, within the hour, most of the time. Now, we've had clients get the call done and see the deposit before lunch. No prepayment penalty either. You can pay this thing off early with no fees, and that matters for deployment strategies that I'm going to show you here in a bit. No origination fee. Some lenders like to charge 2 to 6% up front just to hand you the money. Now, the interest rates. Let me be straight with you. These rates are going to run a little bit higher than obviously a secured loan or a HELOC. On a 60-month term loan, you're looking at rates reflecting the unsecured lending risk, but the trade-off is speed, simplicity, and no docs, baby. For the right strategy, that's totally worth the trade-off in my opinion. And I'm going to show you exactly why here in a few minutes. So this is the section everyone wants to know about Navy Federal. Everyone sugarcoats it or skips it, but I'm going to tell you the truth. Let me address this question because I've read in the comments and I know exactly what you're thinking. Myth number one, you have to be in the Navy or the military. No, Navy Federal is open to all branches of the military, active duty, veterans, and reserves and their families. It's also open to Department of Defense civilians and their immediately family members as well. And that last part is what most people miss. If a parent, spouse, sibling, or grandparent, or even your kids served in the DoD or the military, you are likely eligible, and there's also a pathway through certain veteran organizations too. So if nobody in your family has a military connection, to be honest, probably isn't for you right now, or if a roommate or anybody like that. But stick around because I'm also going to show you 5 other lenders that are no-doc personal loan lenders as well. Myth number 2, you need to have an 800 credit score or even 760 plus. To be honest, you don't really need that. You just need good personal credit, which is really a 650 and above. We've even had clients with DROGs and 680 still get 35K on their Navy Fed personal loan approvals. So the clients we get approved for larger amounts, like above 35K, definitely are in the 700 plus range on their Experian or their TransUnion. Low utilization, clean payment history, no collections or DROGs. That's the profile that gets approvals with minimal friction. But if you're in the 650 range, you still do have a fighting chance, even with some high utilization, at getting this approval. If you are below 650, I would optimize your personal credit profile before you even consider this. Now, that's not like saying like your credit's bad or anything like that, but you definitely want to be up in the 650s. What are you doing? Fix your credit. Links in the description. Myth number 3, they don't actually do stated income. They ask for docs. This comes up, but if you have direct deposit set up with Navy Federal, meaning your income, your paycheck, etc., gets deposited into the Navy Fed checking account, they have visibility into your income. They can see those deposits. In that scenario, that is where we're seeing the most no-doc applications. You just tell them the number. If it lines up somewhat, it doesn't have to be identical, could even be 50% off. They will typically approve you with no documentation. It's not guaranteed, but we see this every day, guys. This is why relationship banking matters. And this is the advice we give clients. Set up your direct deposit with no-doc term loan lenders, with generous lenders like Wells Fargo, Navy Federal, right? Not the day before, but a couple months before you're looking for credits. We see that income hitting consistently in that checking. Those are the same no-doc term loan approvals we get for clients. Myth number 4, it's all about how long you've been a member. This one has a little bit of truth because Navy Fed has an internal scoring system, which does factor your membership, your history, what products are you using with them, and your payment behavior on existing accounts, and most importantly, deposit history. So obviously a member with 5-year checking account, their credit cards paid on time, and regular direct deposit is going to have a much better experience than somebody who just set up the account 3 months ago. Does that mean you need 5 years? No, but it does mean relationship depth matters. If you're brand new, open the account, set up direct deposit, and use Navy Federal for typically at least 60 days, but ideally 6 months if possible. Then go after the personal loan. You're building that internal score with them, and that's going to get you better rates and better no-doc approval odds. I want to address this one directly because I see everyone talk about this and get denied over it. When Navy Federal asks you how much you make, you need to give them a number that's pretty realistic, not like more than 30 to 50% more inflated than what you actually make, right? It can't be absurd, not so low that it gets you denied. It makes your DTI look high. We've seen clients get denied because they panicked and gave a super low number like 35K, and then we've seen people throw 400 grand on there, right? You need to support the correct DTI, right? They want to see below 40% DTI typically. So here's what our team does before our client even picks up the phone. We run the numbers. We look at your total verifiable income, whether that's W-2, 1099, or even side hustle income, rental income, whatever it is, and we make sure they give a number that's accurate, defensible, and strong enough to support the loan amount that they're requesting. That is the prep work. That's the strategy, guys. And that's the difference between getting approved and getting denied over something you actually control, your stated income. And this is why I tell you, don't lie, don't fabricate income. That's fraud. What I'm telling you is know your real number. You could use household income, right? And present it confidently and make sure it's the right number before you call, because this is a one-shot interaction. You got to get it right. So here's the process, super simple, but there are some finer details that do matter. Step number 1, you got to be a Navy Federal member with an existing checking account. If you're not, you could join first and establish a relationship that I described. Step 2, you can apply online through your dashboard. I like to do it over the phone mobile app or by phone or even in branch. Online's fastest. I really recommend the mobile app. That's where those conversations happen that lead to no-doc approvals. Step 3, they ask for basic info that you know, your loan payments, etc. And this is the stated income portion, no docs uploaded, no paperwork mailed in. Step 4, if you're approved, you sign a promissory note electronically, and that's your agreement to repay on the terms that were offered to you. It's the only document. Step 5, funds are deposited into your Navy Federal account same day, often within an hour. That's it. 5 steps, no doc uploads, no underwriter delays, no 2-week wait. That entire process can happen in a single phone call or the mobile app upload. Now, this is where I go further than every other video on this topic because I see comments, I see feedback from people. The number one comment on every video about this is if you don't have a plan for the money, you don't get the loan. And that's right. So let me give you 3 plans. Play number 1 is a real estate down payment. $50,000 is a down payment on sometimes 3 rental properties. In dozens of markets across the country where we buy our Section 8 properties that are below $80,000, they typically need a down payment of about $12 to $15K. And you can use personal loan proceeds as a down payment on those properties that will cash flow and outpace the term loan payment. We've had clients use their term loan stacking proceeds to close on cash flowing rental properties and even portfolios. And here's the math. Let's say they take out a $50K loan for 60 months. The monthly payment's going to be about $950 depending on the rates. And if you use that $50K to buy a rental that cash flows $1,600 a month, right? Let's say 2 or 3 rentals cash flowing $1,600 a month. It will cover that loan payment. The loan pays for itself, and in 5 years, when it's paid off, no prepayment penalty. And remember, you still own the property, free and clear out of that debt. You have the equity, you've increased your net worth, you've got tax write-offs, and you are building wealth. Play number 2, the credit profile restructure. This is the play that we most often run. Client has too much credit card debt. Let's say 30 to 40K in credit card debt spread across multiple cards and at 18 to 24, even 26% interest. Utilization 60%, their score is tanking, minimum payments barely covering interest. Take the Navy Fed personal loan, pay off all of your cards in one shot. Utilization drops from 60 to 0 overnight. And then next month, the score jumps 50 to 80 points in 30 days. And that rate on the debt drops significantly. And the monthly debt payment decreases too because you're not at 26% interest. And here's what nobody talks about. Those credit cards you just freed up, they're now available credit as well. That improved utilization and higher score opens the door for 0% interest business funding. Business credit cards, lines of credit, additional products. The personal loan wasn't the end game. It was the setup for everything after it. That is a strategy that our team does for a lot of clients. We use the loan as a tool to pay off all their utilization, unlock the next level of credit. Play number 3, business capitalization. 50K is 50K, guys. No doc verification, funded same day. We see people use this to buy laundromats, franchises. It's capital, right? No giving up equity, no dealing with investor politics. You could use this for e-com. You could use it for equipment, working capital. You could launch a business. Whatever the play is, you've got the capital deposited before dinner. And the key, as always, is having an exit strategy. The loan payment needs to be serviceable from your revenue. If you can't map out how that business covers the payment in the first 60 to 90 days, you don't want to use this kind of capital for that. Fix your business model and plan first. The capital will be there when you're ready. Let me save you a hard pull by telling you what kills applications. Late pays on existing Navy Fed accounts. Their internal score weighs late payments super heavily on their products. Missed payments on a Navy Federal card or overdrafts on your checking will hurt you more than almost anything on your credit report. Never get a negative balance with Navy Fed. Low or inconsistent deposit activity. You don't want to keep the account empty and the bank doesn't see that stable picture, right? Direct deposit consistently really matters with Navy Fed. High debt to income will get you denied. Remember, keep it below 40% or the math just won't work. The underwriter won't approve. And that's why we said you got to have that income number that will help you get approved. Now, recent negatives on your report in the last 12 to 24 months, collection, charge-off, lates, you're going to want to steer clear, go through repair first. Now, if any of these are working against you, you got a thin member history, brand new members asking for 50K are typically going to get denied, right? Build your relationship, optimize your profile, then apply. Right, here's the full breakdown. Feel free to screenshot, guys. The loan range, income verification docs, funding speed, everything we just talked about. Pause the video, click a screenshot on your phone, and you will be ready when you're ready to apply. Now, if you're a Navy Federal member thinking about applying, let me tell you what separates people who get approved from those who get denied. It's not luck. It's all about prepping your file. Before our clients pick up the phone, our team has reviewed your file, gave you an optimized plan. We scrub your hard inquiries for you. We help you with pay downs, bridge loans, all kinds of things. We want to position you to get approved, right? And that's why our approval rating is what it is. We don't guess. We prepare and then we execute. So if you want to work with my team, click the link in the pinned comment below. You can schedule a call, a little jam session with one of my expert funding advisors, and we'll show you what you can realistically apply for. And if you're not ready, we'll help you build a plan that will get you there. And if you're not a Navy Federal member, I promise you guys, there are some other loan options. We do term loan stack, and I will tell you right now, Lightstream, I have a video on them, one of the best no-doc lenders out there right now. Prosper, we're seeing a lot of great no-doc approvals below 15,000. Drop in the comments if you want, I'll make a video on that one. Upgrade, Upstart, Best Egg, and SoFi. All of those have the opportunity to get approved with no doc when you follow the right play. If you guys want me to make a video on those, again, let me know in the comments below. And as always, guys, don't be a mouth breather. What are you waiting for? Smash that like button and be sure to subscribe. We're dropping so much value, and drop any and every question you guys got in the comments below. I'm out here in the trenches fighting the good fight with you guys. It's us versus the banks. Let's stack this capital and let's turn it into cash flow and change our financial futures, guys. As always, guys, Credit with Colin. Links for credit repair and business funding are in the pinned comment and description below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.